All, welcome back to TechWasti. Today we will discuss how to set up a local development environment for Redis using the Docker, our favorite containerized platform. Okay, so let's go the step by step. What steps required? So prerequisite is that basically you need the Docker installed in your local. Apart from that, nothing is required because Docker will handle everything. Okay, so first thing is that you have to pull the Redis Docker official image. From where we will pull that image? Let's go to the official Docker Hub image. Okay, so this is the hub.docker.com Redis. This is the link where you will find out the official Docker image, which is supporting the different platforms and different 32-bit versions, 64-bit versions, along with the uh, different tags, so with Alpine and different Alpine version as well. If you just scroll down, it will show the different versions. So for today's example, we were using the 6.2.4 tag, that is the uh, n-1 version, you can say, or n version as well. So okay, and the we'll see the different file issues and everything if something is there, and supporting architecture as well for the different ARM versions and the security. So what basically Redis is, definitely you come to this video, that means you already aware what is the Redis. Redis is an open source network in memory key value data store. Okay, and it is basically written in the ANSI C. So basically Redis means that remote dictionary server. So first two letters, and they joined the letter and created the name Redis, remote dictionary server. Okay, so this is all about the Redis. So let's go ahead and jump into the, let's first pull the Redis image. So to that we have to run the command docker pull Redis and the what are the tag. So for this example I'm using 6.2.4. For to save the time, I already pulled the image. If you look, these are the logs to pull the image, and we can verify the image as well, whether image is properly there in your local or not. Redis, what's the tag, and different, it is 10 days ago created, and what's the size of that image. Okay, now everything is there in your local. Let's run the command and create the container. To run the command, docker run, this is the perfect one, up to the name, perfect one, because up to this one everything is the common up for most of the images. So for this image container we provided the name redis server, and we wanted to run in the detached mode and the image tag. So let's go ahead and run it. Okay, let's see how it is creating the container. Now container is created, so we can verify that using the docker ps command. Now the CLI is created. If you look, container ID is created. Okay, so we can verify using another way as well, Dr. logs fnf and the container name. Right, so if you look the logs, this is started, the version, and bits is the 64. If you want 32-bit to save the memory, so you need to change the bit configurations. Okay, and use the different image. And if you look here, server is initialized and ready to accept the connections, and port is the, here we haven't done the port mapping because we are not connecting this redis server from some another applications. Okay, so for just for this tutorial we will just look the how we can use the redis only. Okay, so logs and everything is fine. Now we wanted to access the docker redis CLI, so we can play with the redis CLI to set the data, get the data, and we'll see the different basic commands to just to do the verification. So let's do that. Okay, docker execute, because we wanted to execute. Okay, what's our container name? Redis server and the shell. Right, now we are able to access the shell. Let's ping. We are not able to access it. Okay, let me see. Get command is not found. Why? Let me check few points. Give me a moment. Let's see the command docker run. We wanted to have the interactive shell or container name. Okay, sorry. Let me. Okay, so yeah, docker run interactive shell redis server. Oh, unable to find way. Oh, sorry, my bad. Docker execute redis server. Yeah, our container is already there. Okay, but okay, so we're good now. Okay, so we have to connect to the Redis CLI. So here we have missed one command, that is to Redis CLI. We need to connect to Redis CLI. Okay, then you can execute the different command. Let's to check the heartbeat ping. So you will get the message. Okay, so that message it will return. So now ping pong is working. That means your server is alive and you are ready to make a connection. So for now we will just set the command. If you look the how much this CLI is useful, if you just look, if you press the space button, it is providing me the autocomplete, and it is providing me the uh, hints as well in which way I can set the data. So for now we will just set the simple data using the simple key. Okay, hello redis. Okay, so this is the value we'll say. Now we get the OK command. Now we'll get that using the get command hello redis. So now your redis setup is working fine, and it is working as we are expected. For more videos and more blogs, you can visit the blog and the medium publication, where you will get the useful tips about the different local development setup and Spring Boot microservices and everything. Please visit. Thanks for watching and have a good day.